Hello everyone, this is Manoj, your German coach. In this video, we are going to talk about possible job opportunities for Indians in Germany. Okay, how you can apply, what are the jobs available, what kind of jobs are there in the market, which companies actually look for, which sector there are jobs available. These all are the points which we are going to discuss in this session. German companies are on the lookout for qualified men and women from outside the country to fill the skills gap and revive their industry. If you are looking for a job opportunity there, then the easiest jobs you can find in Germany are the ones that are in demand. According to a study published in February this year by the German Operational Foundation Bertelsmann Stiftung, the country will need at least 140,000 migrants from non-EU countries till 2060 to close the skill gap and solve the labor shortage problem. The study also states that the demand for skilled labor cannot be met by the local population. The large size, stable growth, and the structural changes in the German economy are creating hundreds of jobs every year. The problem is the local talent to fill these positions is scarce. Now, Germany also has an aging population, and by 2025, 4 million people, 4 million Germans are expected to retire. This means more work opportunities for the foreigners. Here are few of the jobs that are in demand and sectors that are facing a skill shortage. So what kind of jobs are available? Top jobs are software developers, architects, programmers, electronic engineers, IT consultants, IT analysts, nurses, business managers, account managers, production assistants, sales managers, representatives, product managers, architects, civil engineers. Industries where the maximum job opportunities are available or there are automotive sector, mechanical sector, healthcare, electrical and electronics industry, IT and telecommunications, consumer and service industries, building and construction sector, and so on. What are the professions which are in demand? The major professions are, we know that, doctors, nurses, engineers, scientists, and software engineers. Now, Germany is actually an attractive option for those seeking a career overseas because it ranks as the eighth most livable country in the world, and with its high quality of life index and ranks seventh in the gender quality index among nations. Now the question come up, can Indians settle in Germany? Now if you are wondering, is Germany safe for Indian students, then the answer is absolutely yes. You can safely immigrate to Germany from India since the Germany is one of the favorable countries to move to. Okay. Now the next question would be, is it difficult to get a job in Germany? It is easy to get a job in Germany or difficult. All of this may sound like a lot of work, but it is usually fairly simple. And don't become downhearted. There are various areas where employers are desperate for motivated, well qualified staff, and they don't care which country they come from. Now, the next random question could be, how much is good salary in Germany? The average salary in Germany is between 64,000 euros to 81,000 euros per annum. This is the average salary for professionals. Now the next question would be, there are many people who think if they have not done German, they are not going to get opportunity. So can I get a job in Germany without speaking German? In short, yes. There are English speaking jobs in Germany. Foreigners who look for jobs in tech support or tech startups or digital departments have a higher chance of finding work in Germany without speaking German. So I hope this was useful for you. So stay tuned for more interesting updates.